Hello, everyone. Happy Tuesday.
Thank you for tuning into today's Up to Speed Live. A lot of exciting things have been happening lately, so let's start with a quick recap.
That's right, Jen. Now, team, in case you missed it, last week we were live from Rolling Meadows, Illinois, where we heard from Hans and Andy Brady, who leads our Great Lakes Market. We also had the chance to catch up with Jarrett Dawson, who is the Great Lakes Market Retail VP. Let's take a look at what he had to say about the Great Lakes and how we can win in the third quarter. Jarrett, it's so great to be here with you. Now, we've been trying to get to know our retail VPs, so I have to ask, how's the job been going and what does the role look like?
It's been fantastic. So I'm about 45 days into the new role. I'm the new retail vice president here in the Great Lakes Market. And I'll tell you, coming into the role, it's been fantastic. I've actually spent a little time here before, so coming back in and feeling the energy from the teammates here, getting back to see a lot of the same sites, eating a lot of the really good food that I've seen in the past.
Oh, yeah.
Eating in the past has been great, but I'll tell you the best part about it is getting out and meeting a lot of our V-teamers here across the Great Lakes Market.
That's awesome. I've definitely been feeling the energy as well. As you've been getting to know the region, can you tell us what makes the Great Lakes Market stand out?
It really is that culture. You feel it when you walk into a store, and I think I know it. I thought I knew it from before, but you come in, and there's so much pride, there's so much energy, and people are really proud about where they work, how long they've been at Verizon, why they're at Verizon, and really their customer base. They really want to talk to you about what they do to take care of their customers. And again, it's one of those tangible feelings. You walk into a store, it's hard to describe, but when you walk in, you leave knowing exactly what I'm talking about.
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about, for sure. Now, it's hard to believe that we're already in the third quarter. What do you think we need to do to win this quarter?
We really have to just be responsible for our own individual actions. I think if every employee, no matter what function they're in, can be that directly responsible individual we hear a lot about, take care of our business, we're going to crush the third quarter. We've got specific targets, and one of our main priorities is to make sure everyone knows exactly what we're in charge of and what we've got to accomplish every day. And if everybody can leave each and every given day they come to work with an accomplishment saying, I achieved what my target was from a sales perspective or whether it was from operations, et cetera, if we all leave with achieving our goals, we are going to smash the third quarter, take all that momentum into the fourth quarter, and we're going to be extremely proud in the Great Lakes.
Yep, I think you're right. Well, Jarrett, I appreciate your time. Thank you for joining us.
Of course, thank you.
Super awesome to see our consumer markets get energized for the quarter.
Absolutely.
And Raquel, I know during the show, Hans mentioned the exciting C-band news that we now have early access to all of the 5G C-band we bought at auction. And team, I actually sat down with Chief Network Engineer Lynn Cox, who explained why this news is so important and what it means to our customers. We'll actually link the episode in today's story so you can check it out if you haven't already. And now on to something I feel many of you watching will want to take note of. Did you know it's estimated that people reach for their device an average of 352 times a day? That's once every 2 minutes and 43 seconds. With that in mind, it's no wonder that 88 phones are damaged every minute. And it's no secret that most of us rely on our devices for multiple reasons.
Oh yeah, I know I do. It's pretty safe to say that you want to make sure your device has the very best protection just in case something goes wrong. And folks, the good news is fall open enrollment is now open until October 19th. From there, Verizon customers can enroll in Verizon Mobile Protect to cover their devices from loss, theft, damage, including liquid, and post-warranty malfunctions.
And get this, Verizon Mobile Protect now includes an unlimited number of claims for an enrolled or registered line, cracked screens on select smartphones repaired at no extra cost, and the most you'll pay to replace your damaged device is a $99 deductible.
That's pretty good.
That's a really good price. If you've ever casually asked what a screen repair will cost you, I know I have at the kiosks at the mall, and it's not pretty. But that's not all. You also get access to same-day device delivery and setup.
And during the open enrollment period, you can also enroll in one of Verizon's other device protection options for things like your laptops, gaming devices, TVs, and more. So, what are you waiting for? Be sure to check your eligibility and enroll now from your online account through the My Verizon app or by visiting your local Verizon store.
And V-Team, we want to take a moment to remind you again to please help us spread the good news that for a limited time, new Verizon Home Internet customers enrolling in select home internet plans are eligible to get this season of NFL Sunday Ticket from YouTube and YouTube TV on us. This exclusive offer amounts to up to $449 in savings.
And just in time to stream your favorite pro football games this season, today we announced our latest innovation for Verizon Home Internet, which is set to deliver exceptional home internet speeds and signal strength with new technology.
That's right. Later this month, Verizon is launching the new Verizon Internet Gateway, a game changer in the industry and more advanced technology than what our competitors offer. The new Verizon Internet Gateway is a modem and router router all-in-one device. It's tri-band, meaning it has more antennas to offer exceptional Wi-Fi coverage throughout the home and the best signal strength yet. To learn more about this awesome new technology, just head over to today's story.
All right, now here's news from our learning and development team that we can all be proud of. The Brandon Hall Group, a research and advisory firm, recently awarded the learning and development team with 5 HCM Excellence Awards. Verizon received 4 gold awards and 1 silver award for a diverse group of learning initiatives across our L&D and talent and DEI portfolio.
Our learning and development team creates great resources for all of us to make the most out of our development here at Verizon. So it's great to see the team being recognized.
It really is. Congratulations to the team on this great achievement.
And in other good news, recently Jim Gowan, Supply Chain Operations and Chief Sustainability Officer, attended a ribbon-cutting ceremony with Leeward Renewable Energy LLC and American Clean Power Association at the Oak Trail Solar Project to celebrate its launch. And we're happy to say that Verizon is partnering with Leeward Energy to deliver 100 megawatts of clean energy to North Carolina. And as Jim mentioned, this project is an important example of our sustainability initiatives, which emphasize greening the U.S. grid while creating value for local communities.
So good to see the great work there.
Yeah.
Now, team, before we go, we do want to highlight a couple of fun events happening across our offices. V-teamers at our Boston office enjoyed some family fun. Local employees and their families were invited to enjoy a day of activities that included a tour of the hub, volunteer events, a scavenger hunt, and lunch. As you can see, it looks like they really enjoyed their time together. It's always so nice when our families can come into the office, see where we work, meet our V-teamers.
Right. Absolutely. My grandma was just here recently. And she thought it was so neat. She's still talking about it. So
Nice.
It's really, really cool. Well, moving on now, Raquel, did you know that many dedicated teachers actually spend an average of between $750 and $1,000 of their own money on supplies for their students in their classrooms?
It's crazy.
Yeah, it is. Well, it's no secret that our V-teamers are always looking to help make a positive difference. And here's a great example. Our Lake Mary Finance Operations team showed support for local Seminole County schools by collecting school supplies for those that need them most in the community.
Yeah, and additionally, during local spirit days in the office, V-teamers came together to write letters of support and gratitude for our troops overseas. These cheerful drawings for the troops helped to spread cheer and smiles by coloring drawings for our servicemen and women. This is a great event you can also do with your kids. Signups are still open, and we'll share more information in today's story.
Absolutely. Everything matters, right? Just a little acts of
Every bit
kindness.
helps.
So nice. Well, Raquel, we covered so much today. There's always so much great things to share from the V team. We just are always doing so much.
Oh, absolutely. And we look forward to seeing you live again next week for even more. So thank you so much for watching.
Until next time.
You're up to speed.